Welcome to Daco, where inspiring garden ideas transform everyday outdoor spaces into beautiful personal retreats. Today, we're exploring whimsical small garden escapes filled with rustic charm, creative upcycled decor, and enchanting landscaping ideas that prove even the smallest backyard can become a magical destination. Whether you're dreaming of a peaceful reading corner, a colorful cottage-inspired pathway, or unique handmade features that add personality, you'll discover plenty of inspiration throughout this journey. Every idea celebrates creativity, sustainability, and timeless rustic beauty. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Daco, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite garden style or upcycling project. Your support helps us bring more inspiring garden transformations every week. Every memorable garden begins with a thoughtful layout that feels inviting instead of crowded. Gentle curves, winding stepping stones, and layered planting beds naturally guide visitors through the landscape while making compact spaces appear larger and more interesting. Rustic materials such as reclaimed bricks, weathered timber, aged stone, and natural gravel introduce warmth and authenticity. Their imperfect textures blend beautifully with flowers, ornamental grasses, and climbing vines, creating an atmosphere that feels comfortably established over time. Mixing different plant heights also adds depth without overwhelming the garden. Low ground covers, medium flowering shrubs, and taller vertical accents work together to create visual movement, making every corner feel lush and thoughtfully designed. Repurposed treasures give small gardens an unforgettable personality. Vintage ladders become charming plant displays, old wooden crates transform into rustic shelving, and reclaimed barrels provide attractive homes for colorful seasonal flowers. Unexpected decorative pieces can become beautiful focal points. Antique bicycle frames overflowing with blossoms, weathered watering cans filled with cascading greenery, and reclaimed window frames nestled among climbing vines all tell unique stories while reducing waste. The beauty of upcycled decor lies in its originality. Every scratch, faded finish, and worn surface adds authentic character that cannot be replicated by newly manufactured decorations, creating a garden that feels genuinely personal and welcoming. Even the smallest backyard benefits from a comfortable place to pause and enjoy nature. A rustic bench beneath flowering shrubs, a cozy bistro set surrounded by fragrant blooms, or a hammock tucked into a quiet corner encourages peaceful moments outdoors. Garden lighting also contributes to a magical atmosphere after sunset. Lanterns, solar pathway lights, and softly glowing string lights highlight pathways and decorative features while extending the enjoyment of the garden into the evening. Adding gentle sounds completes the relaxing experience. Small fountains, decorative bird baths, or rustling ornamental grasses introduce soothing movement and natural ambience that make the garden feel alive throughout the seasons. A whimsical garden becomes even more captivating when it changes gracefully with each season. Spring bulbs, vibrant summer blooms, colorful autumn foliage, and evergreen structure ensure there's always something beautiful to admire throughout the year. Decorative accents can be updated seasonally using handcrafted signs, rustic wreaths, painted flower pots, or vintage baskets filled with seasonal plants. These small details refresh the space without requiring major redesigns or significant expense. Most importantly, allow your personality to shape the garden. Handmade ornaments, family heirloom decor, treasured flea market finds, and creative DIY projects combine to create an outdoor retreat that feels joyful, welcoming, and entirely unique. A whimsical small garden doesn't depend on size or budget. With thoughtful landscaping, rustic materials, and imaginative upcycled decor, even a modest backyard can become a peaceful sanctuary filled with warmth, creativity, and timeless charm. Every reclaimed piece, flowering border, and handcrafted detail contributes to a landscape that reflects both sustainability and personal style. The most memorable gardens are those that grow naturally over time, collecting stories as well as beautiful plants. Thank you so much for joining us on Deco. If you enjoyed these rustic backyard landscaping ideas, please subscribe, give this video a like, and share your favorite upcycled garden idea in the comments below. We'll see you in the next inspiring garden adventure.